In this video, I will show you how to create a complete Microsoft PowerPoint presentation from within copilot.microsoft.com. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. And you may have heard that you can use Copilot inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. But that's only if you pay for Copilot Pro and you have to have a Microsoft 365 account. So today we're going to do the opposite. We're going to create a PowerPoint presentation inside of Copilot. And I want you to notice that I am not even signed into my account. This is just going to copilot.microsoft.com. And I want to create a PowerPoint presentation, 6 slides for 5th graders on some science concepts. And maybe I want to specify that I would like visuals to help explain the concepts. With that prompt entered, I'm just going to tap enter on the keyboard and let's see what happens. Microsoft Copilot is doing some initial thinking, it's planning, and it's going to start designing the slides, including with information about the topics that I've asked for, while also thinking about the color scheme, the photos, and other elements. So pretty quickly, Copilot has completed its work. It gives me a summary of what it's done, and it gives me the option to add additional elements to the presentation. But I'm just going to go ahead and click this button to download the PowerPoint presentation, and I'll click to open it up, and there it is. It did use some visuals, like I asked. They're pretty simple, but they do illustrate the topics that I need to teach. So this is a working PowerPoint created completely by Microsoft Copilot's AI. Now let's switch to my other account that is a Microsoft 365 account. If I put in a similar prompt, not even specifying that I want a PowerPoint presentation, but just saying that I want some slides on a specific topic, Copilot produces them, and then it gives me the option to generate a downloadable PowerPoint file, which I did have it do, and then I just click this button, and look what it does. Copilot has produced a beautiful looking presentation complete with images, a polished look, and quality information. So while I love the fact that I can create PowerPoint presentations just with a regular completely free account, in fact, not even signed in to an account, if you do have a Microsoft Copilot account or a 365 account, Copilot can create even better PowerPoint presentations for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member. But you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch. And you'll see more information about those options in the description below the video.